Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you a simple cable knit stitch in my tutorial. So I already started this, as you can see, and now it's time for me to create another cable. So I am going to start by purling 2 stitches, which is the same in each odd number row. Then we are slipping 3 stitches, putting it towards the back of the work, and then we knit 3, and now we knit the 3 that we put aside, followed by 2 purls, and as you can see, we created another cable this way. Let's try it again. Slip 3. I'm just gonna hold it in my fingers. We are knitting 3 of the regular needle, and then we can also put this back on the needle and knit these 3 stitches, purl 2, and let's see our cables. I think it looks beautiful, and every odd number, even number row would be knitted this way. It would be the same. Knit 1, knit 2, purl 6, knit 2, purl 6, knit 2, and slip the last stitch. Let's reveal our pattern. It looks like this. I hope you like it, and I will see you next time.